Hey guys, I'm Ricardo. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious creamy mushroom risotto. You will need onion, lemon, garlic, thyme, white mushrooms, butter, Arborio rice, parsley for garnish, portobello mushrooms. You will also need 8 cups of warm chicken or vegetable stock. Keep it on the stove top to make sure it stays warm. Chop up 5 cloves of garlic. Chop up half an onion. Dice all of your mushrooms. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a medium heat pan. Add in your onions and garlic. Once your onions are caramelized, add in half a cup of butter and your mushrooms. Add in a pinch of salt and pepper. Once the mushrooms have softened, add in 2 tablespoons of thyme. Then add in 2 cups of Arborio rice. Make sure all the rice gets coated with the mushrooms. Squeeze in a whole lemon. Add in your broth with a ladle. You will need to wait until your broth is absorbed before adding in more. Do not rush this process or your risotto will not cook properly. Repeat this process until all your broth is added into your rice. Once all of your broth has been absorbed by the rice, add in parmesan to taste. Plate your risotto and then garnish with parsley and thyme. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to see my future videos and follow my Instagram at cookingwith_Ricardo.